Well, hey guys, what's going on? I'm back here with another quick unboxing. Well, not so quick. An unboxing and review. What we got here today is a dash cam camcorder recorder for your vehicle. Things like that. It was sent to me over by a seller in Amazon. I will put the link down in the description below if you guys like the product and want to go ahead and check them out. See what other great stuff they may have. But anyways, let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. So far here, nicely placed is a camera. It looked actually a lot bigger, well not a lot bigger, but it looked bigger on the picture itself in Amazon. But it's around the same size as the screen as an iPhone 4. It's pretty good, I guess. You don't want some big old camera obstructing your view, especially if you're gonna put it on the front, which I'm guessing you may. But anyways, this thing does have a mini HDMI output, and the micro USB, well, it's not micro USB, it's the old USB connectors in order to power it on and charge a battery. It does have a small battery, not sure how many milliamps, but I could use the same charger to charge my PS4 controllers because I lost the other ones. So far so good. But this thing looks like it's made of plastic, but the framing is actually aluminum. Looks like it's pretty sturdy. The lens itself, it's a pretty big, and it is a wide-angle lens. It is said to be full 1H HD, so I'm hoping that is true. Going based on the lens, I'm guessing should be. Anyways, the user manual, we are actually gonna have to read it. I'm not gonna read through the whole thing, but I'll let you know in a while why you must go through it. But here up next, I imagine we have the charger for your car, and it's only one. Usually they send you two of these. It's either one for the cigarette lighter and one if you want to hardwire it directly to the power supply, so that way you don't have a cable hanging across your windshield. This right here, I imagine is going to end up being the bracket, and they only include one bracket. Pretty much only going to be able to be mounted on the windshield itself, but that's pretty much where it should go, right? I mean, pretty much should go. This thing does have a built-in microphone as well. SD card slot, it takes a memory card up to 128 gigabytes and below. And here is the manual. So this thing has a lot of features to it. Parking sensor monitoring, if somebody moves the car, it'll turn on as well. It has a bunch of features and a lot of ways to actually get to them quick instead of going to the manual. But the battery capacity on this one is a 200 milliamp. Not a lot, but as long as you keep the screen off while your car is off, while it's on, then it should be able to power it on. But let's go ahead and power it up, turn it on, see how it actually looks. We're gonna use my battery pack here. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It came with an adapter for a cigarette lighter, so I'm pretty much gonna just use that to power it on. Didn't feel like walking out to my ghetto ass car. But again, this one, when you get the SIM card, memory card, I did not know that there were different types of SD cards. So when you buy one, make sure it's number 10. It has to have a number 10 on it. Not sure why, but I didn't even know about that. But you do need to get one of those, otherwise it probably will not work. When you insert the SD card, I'm gonna show you right now. If you insert it, it'll just say resetting that. Well, not resetting the SD card, but it will not read it. It will not read it. So you need to make sure you pick up a SD card that has a number 10 on it. Another thing is what was the other thing? Oh yeah, and like I said, you have to reset the SD card directly from the camera itself, from the camcorder, from this one. It does have the settings here, so you push the lower button right here, the power button, and it'll pop up the, how do you call it, the menu. It has a lot of different things in it. That's what I'm telling you. If you read the manual, it'll give you like quick jump points to, let's say, if you want to activate the parking recorder, you just hold on certain button for a certain amount of seconds. If you want to record throughout the whole time, you hold the camera button, things like that. So if you don't want to access the menu to access those different features, then just go through the manual, because it does have a lot of different settings, this thing right here. So it's pretty great so far. Like the picture quality, the angle of it, it looks real great. One thing that I did notice about when it's not charging is, like, if you have the screen on, it will start doing that once the battery starts dying, and it doesn't last long. It literally just lasts like 15 minutes tops. That's about it. But anyways, guys, this is just a quick review of this great looking camera. Price right now from what I saw was about $60. Regular price around $120. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more how-to and tech videos.